Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Water transport across the nephron. So this includes there is a segment as well as a mechanism of water reabsorption. So in case of the PT, that is a proximal tubule, the mechanism of water absorption will be the osmosis as well as acute 1. So osmosis and AQ1. And looking at the LOH, that is a loop of inlet. This involves the descending limb, thin limb only, and there is presence of the AQ1, that is aquaporin 1. Then moving on to the early DCT. So early DCT is there is no water reabsorption. Then looking at the late distal tubule and the CD, that is a collecting duct, there is passive, that is under the influence of the EDH. There is passive, that is the AQ2, aquaporin 2, and this will be under the influence of the EDH. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.